2003 Ford F-250 6-liter truck. Just picked this one up. The shifter is not shifting the transmission. It moves in the column, but it's not shifting the transmission. So we're going to diagnose it, and then if it's a new cable, go ahead and replace that cable. It just kind of floats, doesn't do anything. Let's go down here and see if there's anything hooked up. It's hooked up on the transmission. Let's take this panel off here, fuse panel. All right, so we're gonna pop the cable off. If you see that moving, it's this arm right here at the end right here. Just take you a flat tip screwdriver, kind of push against it, just rotate it. Pop off, there you go. You got another piece right back here. It's really hard to show you with this angle, but right here is a little nub. And all you gotta do is lift that little nub up and the cable will push up. Like that. So there's the cable, and we'll pull it out of the floor. The cable comes up from the bottom, so you have to feed it back down to the transmission. All right, now we got the cable loose. Pull the floor a little bit where it comes back right here. And pop that grommet right there. All right, on the side of the transmission where it shifts out here, just pop this off here. And then on this side here, just push it up. Pull it through like so, and just let it hang, and we'll pull it through the top. All right, now that cable's loose down there, pull it out. Pull it out the top. Okay, so here's another one I got off of a parts truck. And there's a couple fail points on it. You see there's an ear on this side, there's none on this side. So it's letting it rock sideways when you try to shift it. On this one here, you can tell it's got both the ears on it. The other issue is that it's pulled out right here. As you can see, them crimp lines are supposed to be crimped in here. So it's just kind of letting the cable do what it wanted to do. It pull out and then just bow over. So we're gonna go ahead and put this new one in. All right, we got our new cable. So I want to go up above it, put it in that slot. And pull it in until it clicks. There it is. All right. All right, on this one here, we're going to leave it loose for now. This slides back and forth, and you can fine tune where the park is so your shifter is a little bit tighter. So we're gonna leave it unhooked here, get everything done up top, and then we'll hook it up down here. All right, there's the nipple we need right there. So we'll just pull that shifter, just squeeze it on, just like so. All right, here's the cable there. So it'll just kind of fit in that slot. And you'll hear it click down in there. All right, we'll go put this back on, clip it on, pull that down so it can't move, and it's locked in there. All right, got the cable back on. All right, we're back to shifting again. All right, get your grommet laid back in the groove where it's supposed to be at. If you leave it out, you'll hear road noise and might get some fume smell. So make sure you put that in it and make sure it goes in that clip so it stays out of the way of your throttle and brake. All right, we've got the cable on and it's shifting now. It is pretty sloppy still in the shifter. There's something else going on. So I'm gonna make another video, figure out what that is. I'm gonna make another video about how to fix the slop in that in the shifter on that. Once again, thanks for watching, subscribe. I'll put out a bunch of videos on this truck that I just bought here. And you guys have a great day.